Alright, so she's setting it up to where the Tesla will actually go to us. No driver, it's just gonna go to us.
Hold on. Sometimes it works really well, sometimes it doesn't. Alright, here we go. Turn
Alright.
yourself on. Let's see. Oh, she just want to do it. Okay, it's right here. Oh, wait, there. Now she's got a path.
Oh, hold on. Oh, wow. It is backing up.
Yeah, she's seeing something that's bugging her.
He's coming this way. Oh my god, remotely we're getting picked up by a Tesla without a driver. Or did Dawn run over there and...
No, that's not. Oh, there she goes.
Oh wow, look.
Come on, Prism.
Look, no one is driving.
Okay, now she's going to turn.
Alright, it's coming to us.
She's trying to figure out the path. Oh, there she goes. Okay, she's got it.
She's holding the remote on her phone.
She's backing up. I don't know if she's going to be able to do it. Hold on.
No.
Well, sometimes it works really well and sometimes it doesn't. Let's try one more time.
Because maybe there's cars.
Well, the sensors to the camera see different things.
That is so cool.
Really, are you going to drive backwards the whole way?
First, you need to learn how to do the remote control.
Well, I haven't tried it on this car yet.
Wow.
That is pretty crazy that she drives without me. Okay, now she should do a big loop. She's trying to see. She's trying to figure out the.
Maybe because it can't see any road lines.
There's no lane markings. And the lack of lane markings is confusing her.
There's no driver on that car.
Okay,
Just
she's
so you
turning
know.
around. Are you gonna be able to do it yet?
She is holding the remote app.
See, and I pulled
on
it off
her
and stopped
phone.
it. I'm gonna try my mouth here.
That's her. She's trying to get her car to come to her. So the Tesla is having a hard time going to her because there's no lines. There's no road lines on the parking lot. There's really no one in the Tesla. No one's driving it, and it keeps on moving, trying to get to her. Oh wow. Yeah, I think he's far. She's saying, come on, baby. Yeah, it's driving by itself. She's trying to control it to get to her. But it's having a hard time because there's no road lines. Okay, it's coming to you now. Slowly but surely. She's the remote control. It's an app on her phone that controls the Tesla going to her. But okay, now it's coming. Oh my gosh! Come to mama! She's trying to talk to her Tesla. Wow. That is so cool. And let's go look. See? No one is there. Wow.
Well, sometimes it doesn't. It kind of depends on how strong the Bluetooth signal is. I haven't lane line.
And then there's no lane line too. No one was here.
It's also really late in the day. So when the sun's low in the sky like this, it confuses the cameras a little bit.
Really? But it's so cool. It went to you.
Yeah, it just messes up the cameras when the sun goes low in the sky. Here, back there.
A really cool car. The future.
It's totally
The future of cars.